Hi everyone, for this question it is given that this is a probability distribution function for a discrete random variable. So you can see when we're dealing with discrete, the table is given. So we are using table to understand our question or interpret our question. So first of all, we need to find the value of k, our probability missing value here, and evaluate its variance. So as we know, in discrete random variable, the total probability must be equals to 1. So the whole process here, the whole event here, probability must be equals to 1. Therefore, 0.2 plus k plus 0.2 plus 2k then plus 3k, this probability have to be achieved equals to 1. So we will have 6k equals to 0.6. So k will be equals to 0.1. So once we have our value of k, we can evaluate this. Our value of k here is 0.1. This is 0.2. This is 0.3. Then we want to find the variance. So variance formula, it is ex squared minus ex squared. So which means that we need to find out our mean. We need to find out what is our ex. Ex in the formula is total of x times probability. So this is the ex formula. So to work out this, it will be x times the probability, 2 times 0.2. Total up means plus 3.3 times 0.1, and then 4 times 0.2, and then 5 times 0.2, and then 6 times 0.3. Then we total up this, we can get 4.3. Then we move on to find ex squared. Formula will be summation of x squared times probability. So this formula only applicable for discrete random variable. So now we find for ex squared. What's mean by x squared means your random variable have to square, then you time with your probability, plus total with your random variable square times probability. So simplify this, we get 20.7. So to find the value of x, it will be ex squared minus the mean 4.3 squared. So simplify using your calculator. So after this, we look at our second question. Find the cumulative distribution function. So when you want to find your cumulative, means you want to find your f bar. We will start from 0 probability and add on to the right. So add this one 0.2, then adding on this one 0.3, adding on 0.5, adding on to get 0.7 continuous. The last one should be equal to 1 because our probability will start from 0, accumulate maximum up to 1. So that is what mean by the cumulative distribution function. So we try to accumulate. Then when we want to write out the function, question B, to write out this cumulative distribution function, so the way we write out must be in the interval, start from 0, where it is the random variable before 2. So therefore, the random variable before 2 means it will be less than 2. Then continue, this is 0.2, it will be under value of 2 means it will be equally to 2, then it is before random variable 3, so x will be less than 3. Continue 0.3, it is under value of 3, so 3 is equal, and it is before value of 4. And continue, this is 0.2, then this is 0.5, it is under 4, and then before 5. Continue, this is 0.7, this is under 5, then less than 6. Then after that, the last one is 1, where this is x, for x equals to 6 and more than, means the rest of it is 6. So that's why x more than equals 6. Alright, so that will be our cumulative function. Then we continue. For question C, to find out standard deviation of y. So standard deviation, it will be equals to square root of variance y. So it will be square root of variance. What is your y operation? Y is equals to 3x plus 2. So we find out what is your variance, then you square root it. Square root 3x plus 2. We use properties of variance. It will be variance of 3x plus variance of 2. And the coefficient when we want to factorize out in variance, it will become square. So variance always in the square form. Then standard deviation is square root. So here will be 3 square variance x. Variance to a constant, it will be 0. So substitute our variance here just now. Our variance is 2.21. So 9 times 2.21, it will be equals to 19.89. Therefore, the standard deviation, it will be square root 19.89, 4.46. Alright, so that will be our answer. That's all for this.